Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the back of your piano keyboard and your laptop ports. Confirm whether the keyboard uses USB-B, USB Midi, or 5-pin DIN Midi ports. Check if your laptop has a free USB-A or USB-C port and enough power for bus-powered devices. Verify keyboard power needs and whether an external adapter is required for full functionality. Also note whether the keyboard supports class-compliant MIDI without drivers for immediate connection. Keep cables, adapters, and a power supply ready. Plug a USB-B cable from the keyboard into your laptop USB-A or USB-C port. If the keyboard has 5-pin DIN MIDI ports, connect a MIDI or USB interface that supports 16 MIDI channels. Install the manufacturer driver only when the device is not class compliant and requires it. After connecting, open a MIDI utility or your DAW to confirm the keyboard appears as an input device. Play a few keys and verify MIDI note messages register and show velocity values in the monitor. Open your DAW and choose your audio interface or built-in sound device as the output. Enable an ASIO or low-latency driver to minimize audio delay and ensure stable performance. Set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and set the buffer size between 64 and 256 samples. Lower buffer sizes reduce latency but increase CPU load. Adjust based on performance. Create a MIDI track, assign a virtual instrument, and arm the track for input and monitoring. Test playback and tweak latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.